going for here text or CSV, and the file which we have is sales. What is that I have given in sales performances? Yeah, sales performance, right? On the desktop, we have a sales performance file. So we use this file now. So please take this file. If you have this file with you, you can even
Can you please
copy
tell me
this.
where is this file?
Uh, I think you have got the file in the shared folder, the folder where you are picking the files from the before labs. Do you remember? I think
Yeah, the share point access, which is the training folder. I think I've sent it to all of you guys. I'll send the link back again if you want.
I hope you all received. Ready?
Not ready.
Yeah, I will be waiting for you. No problem. I'm just waiting.
Mahmoud, can you please share it to me through email, the Qatar Airways email address, because I cannot access it.
I've placed the file here on the chat if someone wants to pick it up.
Thanks, Suchita.
Yeah, welcome.
I believe you do have the access to the folder, right, Suchita?
Yeah, I can access the folder.
Okay,
It's actually
perfect.
coming as a Teams link, and then you have to go to
Yes,
files and download it. Yeah.
that is right. Yes, because I placed everything. Maybe due to some restriction, I don't know, but
Yeah, probably.
I'll check this thing later. No
Yeah,
problem.
no problem.
Okay, I think the problem is resolved, right? And just confirm me if you all have the files with you.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so let's go to get data, and then you can select here text or CSV. And on the desktop, you will be selecting here sales performance. And when you click on open, all right. So here on the page, the navigator window, when we land onto this, you will see the delimiter. Generally, we all knows what is a delimiter, right? The separation, which is used in the CSV file, and this is the data. So we are good with the data. Then we can go to load. This is fine for me because I feel there is no issues in this one. Okay,
One
can you?
question here.
Mm, yeah,
I have
please.
the same screen as you. However, the order date format, I don't know whether it's with the browser or my PC or your PC, but you can see 5th Jan, like the month is in spelled out, right? JAN.
Right, right.
But for me, the date format is 5010/24.
Okay. Can you check
S-
the date format in your system in the down in the
So it's because,
notification?
so I mean, it's because of the system, right? It's nothing
Yeah,
to
yeah,
do
yeah.
with like the files
Nothing to
being
do.
different, right? Okay,
No,
okay.
no, no,
Yeah,
no.
that's
Yeah,
what I wanted
yeah.
to just check.
Yes.
Okay, no.
All right. Okay. Fine. So just click on load. So it will be loading into our data view. All right. So just confirm yourself that we have loaded the sales performance file. And if you want to see the data, you can click on table view and you can see the data. Now see, it has updated here. And this format is coming from the format that is available in Power BI. But the format what you see in the navigator that resembles your system format. Okay. From here, you can modify if you want to modify. Okay. And for the unit price, if you want to provide any symbols, you can provide the symbols from here. And even for the total sales, these things you can do it. It's loaded for all of you, right? So now today's session, we are going to concentrate mostly on all the visualizations as well as the different options available here. Okay. So this is like still we are not into dashboard, but there is one topic called drill through. So we are going to use this drill through in our dashboard also. So what is that? I just want to show you. After this, I will show you one dashboard, how it will work. Then we will go and design the similar dashboard. Okay. All right. So now what I will do on this screen, I'm on my first page. We can even give the page name. If you want to give some name to, you can give the page name. You all know this one. So I'm not giving any name, but you can see here, I am selecting a matrix column. You can select a matrix here. So do the same. You all can select the matrix. And in this matrix, you can see whenever we are selecting any visual, as I told you before in the session one, maybe this been a long time because we have done many different things. So whenever we select any visual, the properties of the visual will always be available under the visualizations window or under the visualization panel. This one you can see here rows, columns, values, as well as you will see drill through and all are available here. So cross report, generally we are not working on cross report. What is a cross report? I will explain you, but it is a concept which is something like if you are having two different reports. So first we will finish this, then I will tell you, then you will understand what is that. Okay, let's do this. Take this visual. I selected matrix visual. Just click on matrix, you will get a matrix visual. And then on this visual, I'm going to select region. I'm just checking here. I'm just checking the box. I check box region and I check box category and then I check box here total sales. Okay. So rows has region, columns has category and values sum of total sales. The options are same. Either you can select or you can drag and drop like this you can do. Okay. Like this you can do. This is also fine. If suppose even from here, if you want to modify, also you can do. See, for example, under each region, I want to see the category. Also you can do. Like see now under each region, I have the category. So before this, let's see the file. If I open this file, actually what is there in the file so that you will understand easily. See here. Even the table what we saw is same, right? So here you have regions. For each region, there is some product, and for the products, there are different categories. Now, what we have selected, we selected region, category, and total price. So under each region, you can even select a category, or you can select product, and under the product, you can keep the category. Also fine, right? Now, according to my design, see, the design is our plan, how you want to show. For example, like the first is month, or you want to display the month January. Under January, you want to display some product. You can display in that product what are the products categories are sold. You can show that one also. But these are different types of scenarios. Based on the data, you can finalize. Suppose I want to keep a product also between them. Okay, I will just drag and drop the product. Now you can see in this region, keyboard is the product. Okay, under this product, I have sold the accessories of 90. Okay, 90 real or $90 or whatever the percent, the value of currency you will provide it. Okay, but only the idea behind this one, when you are designing, you have to make sure how you want to show the dashboard on your screen. Okay, now what is actually the drill through? Suppose when you have added the dashboard on the first page, and I have added here region, category, and sum of sales. Now, what will happen when you publish this? So the end user also will come to the same screen, and he want to see more data about this region, East region. So when he go here and he want to go in depth, like I want to see more information about this, he don't have access to open table, and he can't see like this, because the report again have the disturbance, and he will be seeing the huge data, and he will not identify what happening. So for that filtration, you can say like it's like a deep seek, going inside that product and checking about the details of that product, what actually we required. So please confirm you have done this one, right? You have done this one, right? So this is a matrix column I have selected, and I've added here region, category in the columns, region in the rows, and values. I have selected sum of total sales.
Sorry, Mr. Mahmood,
Yeah.
just one small question. I
Yeah,
have done
please.
all of this. It
Mm-hmm.
comes exactly the same.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, I do not see this drill through option in my table. Instead of
Yeah.
this visualization, I
Mm-hmm.
have a build,
Mm-hmm.
but not the visualization.
Okay. Under the visualization, you didn't see this drill through, right? This drill through option is not available to you.
No, my option where it says visualization, it says build.
Uh-huh. Right.
Yeah, it doesn't say visualization.
No, it's okay. No problem.
Yeah, but I don't have the drill through.
You didn't have the drill through there. Okay. Fine. We will see now in the next page. Okay, do one thing. Select the new page. Let's see here. If it didn't come here also, we have to see some options. So we have to work on it then. So let's do one thing. Let's try if it works better. Now see, take a new page and check here in the visualization. Do you see now?
No, it doesn't come.
So you are only having the visibility of the visuals only, right?
That is
You,
right. Visuals, and then I have the rows and columns and values, but
okay.
not drill through.
No drill through, right? Okay. Can you check here any of the windows which are minimized here? Anything? Anywhere you will see drill through here? No.
No, nothing.
Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay. Let's go to options and settings. Inside options. Um, mm, 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 mm. This is the same case for all of you, or it is only for one computer?
No, I have the same option as you. I can see it.
You have a drill through.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then I think some setting has been changed.
Imran, can you check with the page resolution if you reduce, if it comes through by any chance?
Yes, thank you. But I've the same thing. I've done it, but it's the same thing. I tried before, all of these options. So.
Can you check this report settings in the global options, in the options, report settings? Can you check here? Cross report drill through. Here there is an option here, you see, filtering experience.
Yeah, this was off. The
Okay,
cross
can
report
you?
drill through.
Okay, and these two are these are on, right?
These
Allow
are on,
use.
yes.
Okay,
That's right.
and also. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, default summarizations. Okay, you can do one thing. Can you close that file? I mean, by saving that report, close it and open a new Power BI application. If not, keep it aside. Open the new one and check once again.
You can continue in the meantime. I'll check. No problem. I don't want to delay
Mm-hmm.
the training. So.
Okay, fine, fine. Actually, it should come back because this is in a default setting. This should be there. Along with the application, it should be loaded by default. Okay, so no
Sure,
problem.
no problem. I'm opening the
Okay,
file, so you can continue. No problem.
yeah. Okay, so go to the page two. All of you create one page two, another page, and what we can do here, you can go to the table here, table visual. Inside this table visual, I will be going to add customer name, product, category, region, and total sales, as well as let's show quantity also. Okay, so quantity I will put it before the total sales. Okay, perfect. Can you add the same? Added. I hope you all have added the same, right? After adding this, see, generally, whenever we add any data on our screens, so in general, this drill through will be available here. So what is a drill through is, as already discussed, like whenever I want to go into the depth of the data, as I see here, region has East region. Okay, when I want to see in the East region, what is the other data I have? Only for East region I want to see. Okay, so but if I go to page two, I have the complete data here, right? So what you can do is, see, this is the simple step actually. See what I'm doing, I'm dragging this region and dropping here. You can see here in the, again, I'm showing you here under the visuals, there is an option add drill through fields here. I will just put it here. Okay. As soon as you drop it here, on the top, you will see one icon, control plus click. So hold control and click, you will go back. Okay. Now, if I right click on this region, okay, and if I click on drill through page 2, okay, generally we change the names of the pages, but anyhow, this is page 2. If I click page 2, I selected the region East, right? In this East region, now I can see the complete data. Got? So on the first screen, I can't see the complete data, right? I can't see the complete data. It is just showing me accessories 90, electronics this much, and total is this much. But I want to see more, then you can select this and you can do drill through and click on page 2. I can go on to that data. Okay. So can you check once again? Can you do this one, all of you, from your computers? Then we can proceed further.
One question.
Mhm.
So for this drill through to work for any end user, all of this data has to be on one worksheet, like a one Power BI sheet as worksheets. It cannot be on a different Power BI sheet, right?
Good question. Yeah. Is there any other questions you have?
And how do we get, like, after the drill through, I just checked, I picked on East and I could do what you showed us. Now, how do
Mhm.
I get back on page 2 to the main screen, like with all the data again?
Main screen, you have this arrow mark, right, on the top.
Yeah, so now this is like drill through. Now
Mm.
how do I come back to the entire data, not just the East region on page 2?
Okay, you are looking, okay, on page 2 you
Yeah,
want to see the complete
yeah,
data.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
See, in the down, in the drill through, you see there is a filter applied. You can see here.
Okay,
Just click on this clear filter. Now
okay,
you will see the previous.
okay.
Okay, any other questions?
No, that's it from me.
Okay, so the question which is left out is like if I have this sheet data on another Power BI file, how you can achieve is that is called cross report. Okay. So if you have the same data on some other file, that time we are going to use cross report, and these topics you will be learning in the cloud. Okay, so when you go to advanced topics, you will be learning there. Now you can see here in the report settings, we have this option, allow visuals in this report to use
Mohammed,
drill. Yeah, please.
yeah, after clear filter, still the arrow is remain.
Arrow will be remain there. This arrow will be there.
Okay.
Arrow shows that this is a back command. But generally we don't use arrows. You
Hmm.
have other options also to do this that we will see in the dashboard design. Okay.
Okay.
So there is an approach also. If I can delete this if I want. See, I can delete this. Let me delete it. Okay. I deleted that back button, right? And also here we can do this by using the different types of controls. Like if I want to add any button in this, okay, go to insert. You see there is a button. I can have a back button here, right? So this is a button actually, okay? So this button, just I want to move this. It's asking me for this. Okay, I'll keep the button here. Okay. So what I can do now, let me click cancel. Okay. I can click and here and I can go back. Okay. So this is a button actually. So this button you will design and also you will apply in a different pattern. So we can do that one in the next case, in the next class, right? I mean, next class in the sense, in the next coming session now. So we have a concept of bookmarking, we have a concept of navigating and all those things we will be seeing in the report. So drill through issue has resolved for all of you, right? I mean, the options are visible to you all. Anyone has still issue? You all have completed successfully?
Yeah.
Sorry, I just need to go through this drill through because I found this thing available on my top tab, but
Oh,
not
that's perfect.
something. Yeah,
Okay.
but I don't know why this is still in the top tab.
Mm-hmm.
So can I just share my screen and maybe you can
Yeah,
guide me?
yeah. Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Okay. Can you confirm if you can see my screen?
1 second, let me check it up. Yes, I can see your screen now.
Perfect. So if you see, this is where it
Uh-huh.
is, the data. So I've kept the screen same as what you said, page 2 and page 1.
Uh-huh.
So when it comes to this one,
No, do one thing. Go to, yeah, right click on this, but you don't have data here. Click on this visual. Select this visual and on the
this
screen.
one, right?
Click.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is coming on the top.
Okay. No. Okay. Go to page 2 now. Page 2.
Page 2, okay.
Okay. Right. And right. Again, click on data drill. Okay. Okay, click on drill through. Here, apply drill through filters to enter this page. Okay, drill through, click on drill through. No, nothing is happening. Mm, 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 mm. Actually, drill through will be activated only the drill through option is available to you.
Yeah, it normally comes down here, right? So
Yeah, it should come here down. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Let me check
sure.
this why this control is missing.
Sorry, guys.
Can you go to options again? I think it is showing only that option. And check your version also once. Can you share your screen once again?
Yeah, sure. I'm doing it.
Yeah, please. Okay, report settings. Visual option. Yeah, second option you can select. Use the modern visual header. Okay. Next one. Okay, click. Okay, click this report settings on the top. Global. Global. Here in the left panel. In the left panel, you have global report set. Up. Yeah. In the down, come down. Report settings. The last second one in the down. From the last second one. Yes. Click. Okay. Align page. Expand. All. Okay. Always show. Okay. Come down. Okay. Choose system default. Copy object announcement, right click. Okay, click OK. Close this report.
Okay.
Yeah. You can, yeah, okay. Open again. Open the Power BI back and we'll see this time. Okay, blank report. Just click on blank report and we will see. Okay, now go to right. You are not getting that still. Okay. Click on view tab on the top. View on the top view. Yes. You can see there data build. These are all selected, right? All uncheck all of them. Okay, fine. Right. Just select data. Data. There is a data here. Okay. Right. So data came perfect. And okay. Now do one thing. Click on the home tab and we will add one data item. Okay. Get data and select the file. Okay. Now perfect. Okay. Yeah, just drag that. No, do one thing. Just drag region to the screen. We will see visuals later. Just drag. Okay. Right. Perfect. You got the region data, but there is no drill through. Right click on that east, any one of that item. Okay. No, you're not getting here. Okay. Now go to view tab back. View tab. Okay. And from here, you can select bookmarks. Okay, build Right. Okay, build it. Okay, do one thing. In the down notification area, you will see update available. Can you click on that? In the down, yes. Click to download. Yeah, this download here you have to click on download. Okay, download this for UI.
Sorry, sorry. The only allowable downloads are from this one, which is this app we have. So
Okay, we can do one thing. We can remove the app, right?
yes, I can
Okay.
uninstall the app. Yes.
Yeah, you can uninstall this and install it again. Okay, you can do by your settings, or you can do it, right? And
Sure,
once
I'll
you
do
are
it. No problem. You can
yeah,
continue.
you
Yes.
can when you can install it back, you can just ping me. Until that, I will also prepare the dashboard to show you all. Just give me 2 minutes, okay? Until that, you
Sure,
can
sure,
finish it. Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
So before that, Gafur, you will show something like memo something database, and then graph will be much better. You know what type of dashboard we will get as outcomes as we
Yeah.
discussed yesterday. Okay, thanks,
Yes,
thanks.
yes, yes. Don't worry. Yes, yes. I will show you. And the data is with you, right? That HR file. You can open that file with you, okay? And just give me 2 minutes. I will catch you. Okay, my screen is visible to you, right? And the data file. Okay, so this is the same screen or same data available with you, right? If you see my screen here, I have a employee ID, gender, department, region, age, joining date, status of the employee, and exit date of the employee. I mean, those what we are doing now in this dashboard. We are going to identify what is the attrition rate, that is like how this employees are holding in the organization, means how many employees are in the organization, how many employees are moving out of the organization, and when it was effective, whether they are in a female category or in the male category. So how it is happening, that we will check it out here. Okay, so this is actually the data, right? So these are all the departments. This is gender. So based on gender, based on department, based on region. Okay, so this is some scenario, like you can frame it according to your data, right? So here I have active in the
Ma-
sense they are working. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Where is this file? HR Excel file.
It's given to you, right? Just now we have copied into, I think Mr. Imran has copied with you in a shared folder someplace.
No, all
Uh,
this Sushita shared with me only sales performance.
okay, so 1 minute. Let me copy this one into the um,
Employee ID,
uh,
gender,
chat here, if
department,
possible.
region, age, join date, status, exit date. Okay, very good. Very good, very good.
I'm unable to send. I'm not sure why.
No, there is some
Okay.
issue, Sheikh, maybe.
I will attach it here again on the chat. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
So next time, when you are sharing, you can copy all of them, you can have.
I've done it, guys. Just done it in the same chat.
Yeah.
Have a look.
Right. So that is a file, and the outcome we will be seeing according to this dashboard. See now, if you see this dashboard,
Total
okay,
employee. Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
right? So for example,
Employees
let's
vacancies.
say by department I want to check
Hmm.
in HR department, and you can see that the total employees are 17. How many are active? How many are left? In the HR is only one department which I
Oh,
selected now, and this is
Ma
the total employees.
Mahmoud,
Okay.
can you
Yeah.
please, start from the beginning, this HR file?
Yeah, that's what I will be going to tell you this one when we are doing each and every step. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Let me take because
The
if you do with you now, then we are missing some of the steps. So better to write down and do it as an independent. That will be much better.
okay. So now what I do for you, first I have to explain, or you want to do along with
No, no,
me?
first
Or, hmm.
no, first you can explain that one.
Mm-hmm.
Each menu bar and all that, if all
Mm,
these audience are okay with that, and then
mm-hmm.
accordingly you can do it. So we will take the steps and all that, and then we will do independently. That will be better.
Okay.
In that case, we will not miss out any steps.
I have an option for you. What
Okay.
you can do. Okay, I will explain you this one in outlines. Okay, how I did this one. Then other thing, I will be giving you one more dashboard to you to practice, and
Wonderful.
you can show me in the next class.
Okay,
And if
okay,
you are unable to do that, that time I will do that one for you. Again, we will do that one on Sunday session. Okay.
okay,
So there are
okay.
many, not only HR boards, we are incident management boards, employment management boards. Okay. There are many boards actually. As I told you, the 20 GB data contains almost, you can say, around 30 plus dashboards for different departments, like financial departments, HR departments, material
Mm,
management, warehousing department. So which dashboard is familiar to you and how you have to identify? So those things, if you understand, if you design one dashboard completely along with me,
mm,
and next dashboard, when you practice by your own, by following the similar steps, so that will help you. So
yeah.
what is the other help I can do for you? I can send you the steps separately in the WhatsApp group. So I think there are in a
Okay,
group.
try. Yeah, send that
Okay.
also. It will be better.
Okay, because now I can explain you, but I hope I'm sure you can't do it. You can't write it also. The reason is, see,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
these are the cards. Okay, these are the cards. For every card, first of all, what will happen is the screen which you see in the back of the sheet, I mean the back of the dashboard. This is the landing sheet, landing visual page. This is a page visual, you can say. First, we will modify the page. Okay. After modifying the page, we will be going for the visuals. These are the separate visuals. But the down one is not a visual. It's a page itself. We have colored it. So how we colored, even the colors we can do. Suppose, for example, sometimes we will say like we have let's take your department logos, yeah, are the images. Now whenever I'm seeing your desktop screens, I see the good desktop screens are there along with the Qatar Airways background logo and all. Those also you can apply in the background. Okay, that is first step. Second step, these are all the cards. And the cards, we have to work on the properties of the card. See, every card has separate properties. So as I told you before, every card property, we will work through the visuals. See, if I go to the format icon, now here, there are two different buttons. One is visual tab or general tab. These are two different tabs. Okay. Again, you will be working here like what is the title you have to give, what is the color you have to apply. So there are different types of, again, controls under this. You will be applying one by one. And after doing this, then you will be taking the complete design using the format painter, and you will be applying the same thing for the remaining cards. So these are all 5 cards, and this is your text box control. This is a text box, okay? And text box, you will write whatever the text you like, you will write it. Then this is your uh, bar charts, like scattered charts, bar charts, whatever you want, you can take it from here. And this is another chart which you have here, like a pie chart. And this is a table. And the table still here, it is not arranged properly. It has to connect with the color of the screen, as well as this all data should not look like this. Actually, this is a sample I'm showing you, but when we are doing, we will modify everything here. This will look like it's a part of the dashboard. Okay, and from here, whatever we studied about the drill through, if suppose someone want to see more information, now you saw the topic, right? If I select the department, and you will get the drill through option here. Through the drill through, you can get more information about this file. Okay, and when you come down, this is your line chart where you are going to see how many employees have been left out from the company. Okay, so how you will be selecting this based on your type of action you want to apply. Okay, so when you are doing it, you have to concentrate on the properties of the visual. That is the first option, and the type of data sources we have used here, and what type of properties we have changed, how we have arranged them. All these things will matter. Okay, and these are all your drop down items. Okay, you can say that is slicers, right? Slicers, we use slicers. So there are different slicers here. How we have arranged these slicers, how we have used these slicers and all, we can see them also. Okay, so slicers can be applied in many different ways. Let's suppose I'll put a slicer here. This slicer I can change in a many different patterns. Suppose, and this slicer, okay, this slicer. Okay, so for this slicer, what I will do, I'll select the properties of the slicer. Then when I go to slicer settings, I have here drop down. I can make it as tiles. You can see now these are tiles, right? Means when you start practicing the properties and arrangements and the design and the colors, so you can get an idea. So, and also one more thing, when I'm doing some design, if suppose I'm using a color like a black, you can use pink, you can use red, you can use orange, you can use any other colors or blue, anything, whatever you like. And if I'm doing here with some property, you can find some other properties also there. You just memorize them, and when you are doing or you are applying for the new dashboard, you have to be careful with these things. Okay.
Sheikh, I
So,
have,
mm,
sorry, Mr. Mahmood, I have
yeah,
3 questions.
yeah.
The first one is
Mm,
the start of the year. If I want to change the beginning of the year, let's take an example, not Jan,
mm-hmm,
but in the system to read as starting from April to March.
mm-hmm,
This is the first question. How do you do that? And the
yeah,
second thing is the trend. Uh, let's take an example. If I want to see the fixed, let's take an example. I have data for all whole year, 12 months. I need to see the monthly trend from the previous years.
mm-hmm,
And the third question is if we need the, the 3 years fixed data,
mm-hmm,
and the second one is the yearly trend with the symbols.
mm-hmm.
How do
Okay, here
we
you mean
make it?
you're asking me in the line chart?
First in the line chart, let's take an example. I have this data, which is
Okay,
maybe this is 2025 data, but I want
right.
to have the trend line, which
Mm,
will display the trend for the previous year. In the month of
mm,
Jan, what was the trend? What was the
mm,
trend in Feb? So I just want to have
mm.
the trend.
Okay, so there is one possibility, like we can apply the filters for this first. Okay, you can go to the filters, and inside the filters, if suppose I have here month, okay, and you if you ask me like I don't want to see all, you can select here April, May, June, July, August, something like this. Okay,
No, no,
this
no.
is
I
one.
want to
Mm,
start the year,
mm,
starting from the system should show me the year, beginning of the year, or calculate the beginning of the
yeah.
year as
Okay.
from April.
Yeah. The thing what happened here is that you will do. Suppose what I have done, I have retrieved here join date, correct? Join date, you can see. Okay, let me delete it. No problem. I'll add a join date here. When I'm adding a join date, if you want to see the year, you see now the data contains in that is from 2020, correct? Now let's do one thing. Let me go here and I will put here select all. Okay, and I want to show only year and month. If you want to put month also, you can put. You can see the employees which are affected in every month of that year. You can see here January. This is an affected years, right? So you will be seeing now from July 2020 to 2024. So here you will arrange it. Suppose I remove this day. Now you can see here. It is something like a game of a filters. How you want to provision the data, you can apply in the filters. Okay, so that's what, like when you have a data, okay, when you have a data with you and when you are working on it, by working on two or more dashboards, you will get a clear idea like how these dashboards are working out, okay, how we can apply filters, how we can show it, and what are the required data items I want to show. That also you can check it. And here in this line chart, if we concentrate, you can see in this line chart, I took here joined it, and I selected here left employees, means who the employees who have been left out. Okay. And if I want to show attrition rate for every month, you can see now these are the attrition rates. I'm showing now the rate of attrition for each year, right? So this is an idea like how we can identify on what basis. So this is an our own scenario, how I want to show it. But the scenario, the main idea behind it is first we have to know how to make the dashboard clearly understandable to the targeted user. And second thing, as we have the key points, like as now you have told me like I want to display only from this year to this year. That time again you will go to the filters. You will see now here there are the months for those years, right? Because here I have selected month and year. That's the reason it is
Absolutely
giving
right.
me.
But
Mm,
Mr.
mm,
Anod, sorry to interrupt you, but
mm, mm,
my question, and maybe I was not very clear. My
mm,
question is, if I want to display, I want to make sure
mm,
the graph starts from month of April and ends on like the fiscal year. What we have is from April to March. So it starts instead of starting from Jan, it starts from or it starts doing the calculation from the month of April until March.
mm. Yeah. That's what you can remove this April. And start with April. Means you want
No,
to
but
show
if I
here
have
April.
multiple, yeah, because if I have multiple years data, let's say 3 year data, I
Mm,
don't want the wrong calculations to come into this one because yearly data for me is
mm.
April to March, not from
Every year.
Jan to December. Yeah. So the beginning
Okay.
of the year I want to define as April to March instead of
Yeah.
Jan to December.
Yes. Correct. Absolutely right. This is correct. I mean, what we are showing now here is in every year, in every year, okay, every year, right? Year. Every year it will be identifying from April to December only. Okay. So this is what actually I mean, the criteria what actually we are looking, right? What actually we want. We don't want a January, February, March, April, March, until March you don't want. That's correct, right?
No, I need
So,
it. What I need
uh,
is, see, let's
uh,
take example this year. Started from April until now it's December. But if I
mm,
compare the data from last year now,
mm,
uh, then I want to show all 12 months for last year, which is from April to March. But this year, the calculation or the average, I want, so basically, in other terms, I want to define the beginning of the year from April to March, not from
okay.
Jan to December.
Uh, then what we can do, this slicer we have, right? This slicer, we can use this slicer to show that year. For example, let me take the join date is here. The new join date. Again, we need to have some date column. Let me take this date column. Okay. So join date here. Okay, let me select. I changed it. I get not this. Date hierarchy. Yeah. Okay. Let me put it here. Okay. Now, now you want what? For example, 2020. Okay, and 2021. Perfect. So I selected 2020, 2021 until here is okay. Now what I want is, wait, I hold the control key, I select these two. Now what I want month also, right? I want to filter by month also. Then what you can do, select another option. For example, here, I want to put the month. So drag this, put it month here. Now here I will select, for example, let's consider I'm selecting the month here. Okay. Now for those 2 years, I can do this. And also other thing, like if the scenario is the mixed, like as I told you, suppose I'm checking in this year, I'm checking only in this year. Okay. When I'm selecting this year, I have to show only from April to date state, December, correct? If I'm selecting this year, I have to show April to December. Agree? That time what we do, we will create a bookmark. We will create a bookmark. We will put here something like current date, current year. Okay, we will put one control here, current year. And what will happen when you click on current year, the auto filter will be applied. You may have a other question, like whenever I want, I'm changing here, right? So this is not even a good idea, like changing every time, correct? So when you add a control here and when you take the bookmark, let's suppose, let's do one thing. Okay. Let me add one button first, okay? This is a button for me. I will put here something like current year. Okay. Okay, enough. Finish. No.
Well, that's fine, Mr. Mahmood.
Wait.
That's
Let
okay.
let me show you. You will get an idea like how this will be working. But this is all. If you practice only, you will get it. Okay. But I'm showing you that the simple technique is you will provide here current year. Means the other reports, means when you don't select this button, you will get the full report. I mean the full rate from 2020, suppose 2021 to 2025, you will see on the normal dashboard. Okay. If I click on this button, you are going to see from April to today's date. That we can set it up in the control. But how to do? We have to create a bookmark and we have to apply. So we are going to see some of the options when you are doing it. Then you will understand. So don't worry about that. I will show you that option.
Yeah, maybe we
Okay.
can, use something which is very similar what we have in Excel. Maybe we can use the transform data and then add the tab and then use in that tab the formula and then it works automatically, right? So,
Yeah,
like
here,
in Excel, you have
yeah,
the formula, right, to define the
yeah.
month, to
Yes,
fiscal year
here,
month.
yeah,
So I was
here,
just thinking maybe there is a quick way, but we can do that in even transform
yeah.
data, right?
More than that, we have this bookmarking is a very quick one. How? First we will set as you have told me the same option. I have set here year and month. Okay, I will get one report, correct, and I will save that state. I will save that state into this button. Okay, and when I click on that button, only it will show me that state from that day to this day. If I click on reset, this data will go back to the full screen. I mean, full data. So the thing is like okay, the better option is we will finish one dashboard. After that, you will understand how we can do this. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we can go for prayers, right? And we will be back again in few minutes. So just we'll take
Yeah,
10 to
Mahmood.
15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll come soon and we'll start with the dashboard. So no worries. See, Uh, we have still one more session. So if you have any queries, we will be clearing everything. Don't worry about that. And however, my WhatsApp is with you. Anytime if you need any query related to the dashboard or anything, just ping me. I will be sending you related to that notes as well as the lab setup. You can do it
Okay.
anytime. Okay. Don't worry
Okay,
about
ma'am.
that. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.